This is PE Kansas, and this is the biggest thing I can reference. This is going to be the lesson plans and objectives with standards to teach kids for the state of Kansas. So once again, I'm going to click on grades 3 through 5 because I always feel like there's a little bit more to it. And I have different topics to pick from. So I'll scroll on down and we'll go to physical activity. I can go to health-related fitness, special equipment activities, classroom management, physical, or miscellaneous. Let's go ahead and go to physical activities. And let's go to recess games. I teach recess games somewhat, that way kids learn how to play at recess and have rules behind everything. That way they're not randomly making up rules as they go and start fights on the playground. And so we can go to simple games like horse, which is a shooting in a basketball game. I can click on it and it'll tell me what standards it covers, the category, and what equipment's needed. And then I come over here and it's step-by-step directions. And it's great because for the variations, we can use different words, which I always use some different words. That way I can add some spelling into my class as well. They always keep pushing for different standards and activities. So we always try to add spelling as one of ours, or reading. I can even sort by standards. So if I only want standards 2, bottle cap hockey is the only one that will pop up. We can come up here and we can look for lesson plans even. So I've not created anything yet. So I could even add an activity. Let's go to warm-ups this time. And we can scroll it down. There's all sorts. Let's go to rock, paper, scissors, tag. So it's going to add it to my current plan. And then I can even add what grade level I want to do this at. So I like it at 3 through 5. Instant activities are what we do when we first come into the gym. That way kids have some ideas of what's going to be going on throughout the day. Sorry. And this is a huge website because once again, as a first year teacher, this gives me ideas. What I need to do, and gives me ideas to even being off of them to create my own games. And that is about it. Thanks.